I think what makes VCAD different from other institutions is twofold. First, its size. We are an intimate setting in a nice downtown location, which is always convenient. But it also means intimate in scale in terms of accessibility to your instructors. And because of that, we care a great deal about the progress that our students make, and we try to individualize the outcomes to the individual students.
One thing that really drew me to VCAD is that the students are not on a treadmill. They're not trying to get you in and then get you out. It's like we actually have the students come here and they're relaxed into the whole design process. And that allows us to spend more time with them.
We have a class called Professional Practices in Interior Design, which actually goes over what to expect wage-wise, how to get into the field. We also have Career Services, which looks at our resume and cover letters to really prepare us for leaving school.
It's actually really nice to work with people in the industry and actually get some tailored experience from them.
VCAD offers an intensive program, so I was definitely interested in getting out into the industry sooner rather than later.
Well, they're all just so enthusiastic and really vibrant and really care about. They're in the industry, which is great. So they really know what's going on in the industry and what we need to learn for us going forward. I would recommend VCAD. I think it's a great place to be, just with the small class sizes and the really hands-on instructors. I think it's a great place to be for sure.